Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Onida AC remote not working or responding. Full reset, battery and sensor fix guide. Fix 1 is replace the batteries. Remove the battery cover from the remote, then take out the old batteries. Insert 2 new batteries matching the plus and minus sign. Then close the battery cover and test the remote. Second one is reset the remote. Remove both batteries from the remote, then press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. Then put the batteries back in. Then try using the remote again. Third one is move closer to the AC. Stand within 15 to 20 feet of the AC, then point the remote directly at the indoor unit. Then remove anything blocking the signal. Press the power button. Fourth one is clean the remote and AC sensor. Turn off the AC. Wipe the front of the remote with a soft dry cloth. Then clean the sensor on the indoor AC unit. Turn the AC back on and test the remote. Fifth one is test the remote signal. Open the camera app on your smartphone, then point the front of the remote at the camera. Then press any button on the remote. If you see a flashing light on the phone screen, the remote is working. If not, the remote may be faulty. Thanks for watching.